Hello there. This is a demo about the web portal that we're building to provide company information for companies in Hong Kong, registered in Hong Kong. So let me go ahead and run you through a quick test. So we are presented with right now it's a development website, but here is a search bar, and we've designed the portal so that we can have some basic information about the company and some more advanced functions like intermediate search and advanced search. So, and at the end, we will create a report about the company. Let's go ahead and search for a random company, like my own small company, Precision Services, for instance. Let's go ahead and search for a company in Hong Kong. So what we're doing is not just accessing Google, but we are actually accessing the Hong Kong's company registry. And you can see the result already. Here is a company that matches my keywords, a company that is a Hong Kong company. It's current and live. So, and here is another old company that someone named with the same name. But let's go ahead and find the results for this company that seems to be live, current, and registered in Hong Kong. So if I click on it, we are able to provide quite a bit of background information about this company, and all of this is actually free, at least to provide a basic search. I'm able to access the company's registry in Hong Kong and give some results. So here are the basic results. We can see that so the company's registration number, the full legal name, the type of company, the date of incorporation, but also here there are some interesting indicators that we can show to the user, whether the company is live, whether the company is in winding up mode, which is very important, if there are any outstanding charges, any important notes, etc. And the other very important and valuable information that I can provide is a list of all the recent filings and activities that this company has done. So we can see here the record of all the annual returns, if there has been a change in company secretary or company director, etc., etc., etc. So even just by putting a keyword, a company name's keyword, I can actually select that company and give a lot of information free of charge. What will be next is start actually digging a little bit further into this company, and that's what we design as, we call it intermediate search. And intermediate search really is a way, so if I click on it, the system will say, are you sure you want to proceed? Yes, I'm sure. And the reason we have a question is because there's a cost involved to create an intermediate search. And what happens is that we are, again, accessing the company's registry, but actually pulling documents, reading those documents, and automatically by artificial intelligence and machine learning, and we're presenting the results back to the user, right? So right now, what I've learned about this company, I learned where the company is registered, what are the capital shares, who are the directors, name, last name, ID, nationality, etc., and who is the registered company secretary, if there's a liquidator, etc., etc. So there's a lot more information, and this type of search, this intermediate search, only cost a few Hong Kong dollars. So it's an interesting proposition to actually open up, create a web portal that is accessible by anyone really, and be able to get company information. And I would say this is particularly interesting for not only for people in Hong Kong that don't have access to the company's registry, don't have an account, don't don't even know that they exist, but also to foreign companies that are thinking or actually evaluating doing business with a Hong Kong company, so they can actually get some background search about them. And this is something we can build and scale and promote, so that we can actually promote this web portal in the West or even in Hong Kong, and get hundreds, if not thousands, of users and visits every day. The ultimate aim is to convert all of these into an open API, so that we can actually provide accessibility to the registry and to companies' information through an API. So that's particularly interesting for other corporates such as banks, insurers, telecoms, basically anyone that is willing to onboard or to get company information from someone in an automated fashion. All right, that's it for it. And don't hesitate to contact me and Alan Simberg. No, and you can contact me. Cheers.